Hello. Are you stressed about your upcoming move? Look no further than Budget Movers and Storage. We have been trusted by communities for our reliable moving, relocation, and storage services. We take pride in providing the best moving professionals in Sacramento, California, and surrounding cities. At Budget Moving and Storage, we offer affordable, expert, and reliable moving services. Our mission is to be the best movers in the Sacramento area and provide exceptional full house moving services at a fair price. Our reputation is built on superior service and caring for all your cherished possessions. We maintain an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Each move is treated with care and professionalism. Trust that your move will be handled with the utmost care. Convenience and affordability are our specialties. Whether you are moving locally or across the country or are moving internationally, we can meet any need. We offer a full range of moving services, including specialty moving services. When you choose us, you will have a dedicated moving expert as your single point of contact. Simple communication is important to us, and your designated moving specialist will provide precise answers to all your questions. Before your moving day, we will provide a fair and honest moving quote. We believe in transparency and will never charge hidden fees or for unused moving supplies. Our goal is to make your move stress-free. If you're looking for a moving company that fits your budget, choose Budget Moving and Storage. We serve the Sacramento region and surrounding areas with pride, offering a name you can trust and a moving service you can count on. For more information, contact Budget Moving and Storage today. Let us take the stress out of your upcoming move.